Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to make AI kissing videos using this website called Virbo. So this is by Wondershare, the same makers of Filmora, and now they are in this actual space making AI generative videos. So all I have to do is go to avatar video and then basically select your aspect ratio, create a video basically, and then here just skip the tutorial. Basically you can find avatars for yourself, but basically you're just gonna upload your own. So there's gonna be a text script right here. There's also templates right here if you want to, background, avatars. There's even a lot of customization templates that if you want. So something like an office right here. So basically all you have to do is here. Um, you can customize your AI avatar too, which is weird. So all you have to do is go to template right here, select one if you want to, background if you want to, but AI generation is what we want right here. All you have to do is go to AI videos and then prompt it right here. So make this two people kissing. So hold on, people kissing. So it's kind of weird that you guys want this, but of course, this is what people want. So let's try it out. So there's also going to be a script that you can actually generate. So let's remove the avatars basically, or the template. So let's import one right here. So let's get our new Elon. So where is he? So I can't find him. I just saved him for some reason. So where is he? So Elon. So let's actually grab something like this. This is also a AI generated image. So if you have two people in a picture, basically, you can do the AI generation and generate the video. So of course, it's gonna take all some type of plan for you to get this, of course. But when you are new, basically, you're able to generate video 2 minutes free. So you can place two people side by side right here. So place another one. You can import another one right here. Just for example, this is another person. So you can place him side by side right here. So it's really just that simple, basically. And then just prompt it like as you want. And then you'll be able to actually generate two people kissing, which is weird. I don't know why you like that, but it's weird. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.